Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to color grade video in Adobe Premiere Pro so your footage looks more polished and professional. First, open your project and place your video clip on the timeline. Click the video clip to select it. At the top menu, click Window. Click Lumetri Color. The Lumetri Color panel will open. Start in the Basic Correction section. Use exposure to adjust overall brightness. Use contrast to add separation between light and dark areas. Adjust highlights and shadows to recover details. Scroll down to Creative if you want to apply a look, or LUT. Color grading improves mood, consistency, and visual quality. Make small adjustments and preview as you go. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.